You're watching How Leap. Let's find your saved passwords on an iPhone. Unlock your device and open the Settings app. Scroll down the list and tap on the option labeled Passwords. You will be prompted to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode for security. After successful verification, you will see the full list of your saved passwords. This list includes all websites and apps for which you have saved login credentials. To view the details for any specific account, simply tap on its name from the list. The next screen will show you the associated username and the hidden password. To reveal the password, tap on the hidden field and authenticate. Again, if asked, you can also use the search bar at the top of the passwords list to quickly find a specific entry by typing the website or app name. This method allows you to efficiently retrieve any login information stored in your iPhone's keychain. For managing or deleting a saved password, tap the Edit option. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.